Alright, so today we're taking out the rigs. Got the bike, got the car, got the GoPro, living large. See how it goes, eh? Alright, you go first, eh? Mate, I'm the beginner. More than me. Mate, I cut the corner hard by accident.
I did that in the second corner.
Yeah. Bloody hell.
We can do it.
I gotta, hey? Do intermediate? Alright.
We'll go back up though.
It's alright. Bloody hell.
Just before we hit the second track, this happens.
Oh, I didn't say, oh, you just broke it.
Are you joking me? Oh. The change is snap.
Yeah. Just had a quick fix. Old mate snapped his chain, the Muppet.
Oh, get away from me.
Oh, but quick $2 fix. Where's the chain gone? Oh, there it is, nice and shiny. Shiniest bit on the chain.
After we fixed the chain, it was time to head up to the top of the hill and hit the next intermediate track.
Ready? Am I going first? Hang on, put my sleeves down. Steep jumps. Oh.
That jump.
Oh. Yeah, that was so good. Hey? That was... Hey?
There's like 2 different trail paths.
Yeah. That was so good. Oh.
We watched these guys do their jump and then made our way back up to the top of the hill.
Ah. Oh. it. Oh.
You're one of the people that we watch in BMX who get shit scared of watching. I was watching you take some of the jumps.
Yeah.
And not gonna lie, if you're airborne for like another second, you'll just fall to the side.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. That was good, I think.
I should take it to a BMX track and learn jumping with his kids.
Oh yeah, because it's so much nicer. You don't like go over a big jump and then...
And there's a massive rock.
Yeah.
I was falling behind you. And I moved to the middle.
Yeah.
Bang! Big rock. Deuce.
Yeah, I heard
Big
that.
rock, deuce.
Yeah, no, I turned around. I went around them, eh?
Wanna go back up from here?
Back up from here. I need to go get some water.
Oh yeah, true. We'll finish it.
Alright.
This last track was supposed to be for beginners, but turns out it was the best one of the day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers for watching.
Trying to get in the right gear. There we go.